Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Renkon no Kimpira. This Renkon or lotus root is very popular vegetable here in Japan. And Kinpira is probably the most classic dish that we cook using this Renkon. It's very easy and quick to make. Let me show you how to make it. These are what you need. Renkon Lotus Root, it's about 200 gram. Chikuwa fish cake, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons mirin, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, little bit of chili pepper and sesame seeds. And you also need a little bit of vinegar and vegetable oil. Prepare a bowl of water and put a little bit of vinegar. 1 tablespoon or so. And let's peel the lotus root. Let's cut this in half. And into half again. And slice thinly. Like this. The thickness. And let's put this in vinegar water. And leave this for 5 minutes. In the meantime, let's cut chikuwa fish cake. Cut into half. Put them face down in diagonal slices. Like this. Drain the lotus root and it's time to cook them. Heat up some vegetable oil in the pot. It's about 1 tablespoon. And let's add the lotus root. When it's all coated with the vegetable oil, add chikuwa fish cake and keep stir frying. When the lotus root is almost translucent, add 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons mirin, 1 tablespoon sugar, and chili pepper. Keep cooking to cook down the sauce. Now the sauce is cooked down to half. Let's add 1 teaspoon sesame oil and sesame seeds. Give it a nice mix. Turn the heat off and let it sit for 10 minutes. Now the lotus root soaked up the sauce and there is almost no sauce left at the bottom. It's smelling so good, so let's serve. And Renkon no Kimpira is ready to go. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!